In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple Excel files. Merging Excel files is a useful skill when you need to bring data from several workbooks into one place for easier review, reporting, or analysis. Instead of checking separate files one by one, you can combine everything into a single worksheet or workbook and work more efficiently. To get started, open Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, you'll be working with the files you want to combine. In this example, the goal is to merge data from two Excel files into one clean table. The reason this process works so well is that both files contain the same type of information arranged in the same column structure. For example, each file includes columns like ID, name, and sales. When the layout matches, it becomes much easier to combine the rows without disrupting the data. For small files, one of the simplest methods is copy and paste. This approach is best when you only have a few workbooks and the amount of data is manageable. It's quick, straightforward, and doesn't require any advanced Excel tools. Start by opening both Excel files. In the first file, you might already have a table with entries listed under ID, name, and sales. In the second file, you'll have additional rows that need to be added to the first one. Next, go to the second file and select only the data rows you want to merge. Be careful not to include the header row if the first file already contains the same headers. Excluding duplicate headers helps keep the final worksheet organized and prevents confusion later. After copying the data from the second file, return to the first file. Find the last row of existing data, then click the first empty row directly beneath it. Paste the copied data there so it continues the table in a single, uninterrupted list. Once pasted, the result is one combined data set containing all records from both files. For example, if the first file included 2 rows and the second file included 2 more, the final worksheet would show all 4 rows together under the same headers. As a final check, take a moment to review the merged sheet. Make sure the data lines up correctly in each column and confirm that no header rows were accidentally pasted into the middle of the table. Keeping your formatting consistent will make the merged file easier to read and analyze. That's how to merge multiple Excel files using the copy and paste method. It's a simple and effective option when working with small data sets and can save time when you need everything in one place.